If you want to build non-organic organisms, we can't just think about how to build digital brains. We also have to think about how to build digital bodies. And that's what we do with Roboy. So the vision behind Roboy really is to build a robot that's as good as the human body, because if you look at the human body, it's a marvel of engineering. It works extremely well, it's fast, it's agile, and it's completely silent. It repairs itself. How good would a robot be that it repairs itself? Right?
Any engineering project always requires a trade-off between multiple requirements and constraints. The application of Autodesk's generative design technology means that Roboy can explore not just 1 or 5 or even 10 different design concepts, but literally thousands of different design concepts, meaning that they come up with an end product that is truly revolutionary.
The Roboy team really pushes our software right to its limits and sometimes beyond. So that's really valuable for our development teams to be able to work with companies like this so that we can really find out how companies of the future are going to be working.
We develop the project completely agile with agile methodologies, because it's a very complex project, because there are many unknowns that we can't know beforehand. And in a traditional waterfall-like project, you would plan this, and 2 years later you arrive at something where it doesn't work. And we do this much closer, much faster iterations, and we try to reduce the uncertainties as fast as possible so that we build the right product before we're building it right.
The Roboy team is simply amazing. By being dedicated and truly little a agile, these guys are 5 to 10 times faster than anybody I've ever seen in a commercial context. They get things done in 2 days that other companies take 6 months to do.
The manufacturing industry is going through a period of huge disruption. From materials to manufacturing processes to feedback control systems, engineers and designers have more choice than they've ever had before. By bringing together design and manufacturing on one platform, Fusion 360 empowers customers like Roboy to explore more of these options with greater agility than they've ever had before.